We welcome you in the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, AKS University, Satna. It is one of the premier institutions of pharmaceutical education and research in India region. The college named Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Pharmacy was started in the year 2006, which was affiliated previously to the Rajiv Gandhi Technological University, Bhopal, and is now a constituent unit of AKS University, Satna since last 2 years. The Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Pharmacy is approved from Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi. The Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology now offers B.Pharm course, M.Pharm course. Various branches of M.Pharm includes pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology, pharmaceutics, pharmacognosy, drug regulatory affairs, quality assurance, pharmaceutical management and administration, pharmaceutical management and regulatory affairs. The salient features of the pharmaceutical faculty includes highly qualified and well experienced faculties. We are also having well equipped classrooms, tutorial rooms. We are also having well equipped laboratories. Various subjects includes pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology, pharmaceutics, pharmacognosy, biotechnology, APHE, machine rooms, central instrumentation facility. Various important or sophisticated instruments of central instrumentation facility we are having includes UV, HPLC, ELISA reader, cooling centrifuge, etc. We are also having highly dedicated and experienced laboratory staff. We are also having full-fledged library with leading e-journals and books. Well-organized computer center includes 60 terminals. We are with printing facilities, land with 24 hours internet connectivity. We are having pollution-free atmosphere, pollution-free environment campus. We are also having the provision of industrial visit programs for student exposure. We are having multi-purpose seminar hall. Special focus is done on guest lectures, industrial visits, personality development. The faculty is having well-established herbal garden, which is having almost 250 plant species which are of medicinal value. Some common plants of medicinal value includes tulsi, harra, bahera, amla, chirayata, bel, brahmi, ashwagandha, peppermint, mehendi, kochila, neem, bach. We are also having the facility of indoor and outdoor games facilities for students. If we talk about the opportunities, career opportunities of pharmacy students, pharmacy graduates, the initial career opportunity is he or she can open his own medical store after the completion of B.Pharm, getting license. Its government sector opportunities includes Food and Drug Administration, Drug Enforcement Administration, Armed Forces, National Institutes of Health, and many other government agencies. Industrial pharmacy sector includes R&D, that is research and development, production systems, sales and management systems, production chemist, production manager, officers, executives, manager, directors, presidents, vice presidents, and all. He or she can also become hospital pharmacist. Its various duties includes medication in the hospital for use, dispense prescription drugs, handle various special products like radioactive medicines, artificial kidney fluid and plastic inserts, etc. He or she can also become community pharmacist. He can perform safe and efficient dispensing of prescription medications. He can advise patients on proper prescriptions. He can also perform the over-the-counter non-prescription medication, and he can also work on various keeping records of patients, their health, illness and medications. In marketing sector, he can perform as area manager, marketing manager, regional sales manager, zonal sales manager, with starting job of medical representative. He or she can also perform give consultancy services in the field of regulatory affairs, analytical series, research, document, marketing service and sales promotion, approval department, data management, information retrieval. If we talk about the scope of pharmacy in abroad, a pharmacy graduate can also go to abroad and to perform his higher studies in master field, in masters, and it's a doctoral area after giving national, international level examinations like GRE, TOEFL and all. The Faculty of Pharmacy, AKS University, are currently offering two level courses. One is B.Pharm course, another one is M.Pharm course. The eligibility of B.Pharm is 10+2, PCM, biology, that is physics, chemistry, math, bio and biotechnology, with 45% for general category and 40% for the rest of the categories. Its master degree program, the eligibility includes 50% in the B.Pharm course or its equivalent course. Now we are talking about the achievements of Faculty of Pharmacy, AKS University Satna. The faculty has till now received various grants from various funding authorities in India, like Indian Council of Medical Research, New Delhi, for organizing seminar, national level seminar, MAPCOST, that is MP Council of Science and Technology, Bhopal, and All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. The faculty has also organized many camps in campus and outside the campus also. It includes blood group checkup, blood pressure checkup, hemoglobin checkup, blood sugar checkup, dental checkup and eye checkup. Thank you very much.